Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for my autumn crop that is in my group, and it's going to be the sketch challenge, and there's the sketch. Now, this is the fall into autumn crop that I am hosting in my group. I will link it down below for you so that you can see everything that's going on. I have 7 challenges for the month of September, and you guys have seen a couple of them already, and I'm just going through them. Now, this one I am not using any close to my heart products. I actually wanted to try to get done with my Cuba trip, and this is the first, this is the second to the last one I have. I have a double page spread that I have to do yet, and let me tell you, I'm kind of giving up on double page spreads for just a little bit, but essentially it'll get done and you'll see it, and then I can call this trip done. Now, comment down below and let me know if you want a flip through. I am thinking about doing that, so let me know what you think. I have no problems doing it. It gives me a little bit of extra content on here, and then also on top of it, I think that you guys would enjoy like seeing the trip come to life, or like to life while I'm doing this. Now, of course, every single time that I do a layout, I swear this thing never can go outside. It can never be done off camera. I swear. Now, I am following the sketch pretty closely. Actually, believe it or not, the only thing I'm really changing, I guess, is the photo. But even in the photo, it has one photo that's 4x3, but I'm making it a 4x6. But this is what picture is this of? Oh, this is the picture of my husband and I when we get to it, and you guys get to see it here, is of when we were on the boat and we did a massage while the boat was going out to sea. So since we were going out to sea, we actually got to save a little much money on it because we didn't have to pay the tax while we were docked. So that was pretty cool. I like that. That was awesome that they told us a little bit about it. So that was like, woohoo, extra money in my pocket. That sounds good to me. So I am doing the banners, and I am getting all of the little papers set up and ready to go for me. And as you can tell here, I am still using Vickie Bouton. Let me tell you, ladies, I am absolutely 100% a fan of Vickie Bouton, but I am really tired of looking at her papers right now. Like, my whole collection, for the most part, except for maybe 3 or 4 layouts tops, for Cuba has all been done by this one collection. That is crazy and insane, but that's just me. I'm just saying, hey, I am almost done with this, and then I can start to use something else, right? But you guys have been amazing through this trip. I think that you guys had a lot of fun. I could tell that you guys really liked the stories and everything. And ultimately, this was just a little bit of an anniversary trip for us. Like little something different for just the 2 of us. We did it as like a couple, and that was awesome. I really loved doing that part of it. I really excuse me, I really enjoy doing things like this. And sometimes Josh will be like, I don't want to do this or whatever, but nope, he takes it at will for me. Very, 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 very much so. But here I am. I'm just getting everything done. If you see me just starting to talk and my hands go to town, I am scrapbooking with another friend of mine doing this layout. So yeah, so today when this goes up, I'm not sure when I'm going to place this one up, but the day that I'm doing this voiceover anyway was the first day of school. I had a ton of fun because I only have 7 children at this point. So at this point of this video, I only have 7 children. The parents have been really great. It has been working out wonderfully. I feel that the parents and the students and all of that stuff has been doing a wonderful time and have done just an amazing job making sure that the kids are staying safe, we're staying safe, all of that kind of stuff. So it's been going pretty good so far. I know it's only been the first day, but I think I've got a really good group of kids, and I'm going to enjoy the way it is so far. Now, when we get new students, obviously, so I have found that between all of us teachers that are teaching face-to-face, there's 3 of us. I jumped from having 11 students before school started. When I called the parents, it jumped down to 8. And then when I got to school, I couldn't, when I got to school, then I went down 2 more. So then I was at 6. And then at lunchtime, I ended up getting another student in. And now I'm at 7. And that is pretty much where everybody's at. Even my other 2 counterparts, they're both at 7. Both of us ended up getting, I'm the only one that got a new student, but the rest of them have been registered and have been there. So that's been nice. I really enjoyed the first day, but I have to say my alarm did not go off in the morning. I was like, what in the world? The alarm didn't go off. I couldn't, it was crazy. I was like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? So I ended up, now for me being late, I was late because I wanted to be to school by 10 to 7. And I ended up being at school at 7:30 in the morning. Now, school for us doesn't start till 8:30. And then actual school starts at 9. But yeah, let me tell you, I was a little flustered this morning, but it worked out well. So here I am. I'm just going through the embellishments, making sure all of the embellishments are awesome. I thought that this cruise ship would be perfect because we're out to sea on a cruise boat, or a cruise ship, I should say, not a boat. And just going through different things and just trying to make it all work. And adding the butterflies, I stated that I was going to make sure I had butterflies throughout, and that's what I did. I love how that part turned out. I'm just adding little bits and bobs around to make it all look good and whatnot. So yeah, I hope that you guys check out the group. This is the sketch. I do have 7 challenges. I think I've done 1 or 2 already that are up on my channel. But ultimately, I know that I'm not using close to my heart, but you can still use this sketch with or without products, obviously, as you can tell. Doesn't have to be. So make sure that you go check out my group because I do have a wonderful prizes and all of that stuff set up and ready to go for this trip, for this thing. Oh, and also it goes all the way through the whole month. So from the beginning of September and then all the way until the end of the month. So my title is going to be Let's Wander because, you can wander while you're getting a massage in your head because you don't leave much, for that respect. So that worked out great there. I really loved where I've placed these little bits and bobs and all of this stuff. I just love, I'm going through everything. I'm starting to get to the point where I don't have much like stickers and that kind of stuff left. Like I've got a lot of embellishments. But I'm more finding out that I need a little bit more. I'm like running out of like sticker stuff. So I'm glad for that because I got a lot of this stuff for this collection and for this trip because that's what I wanted to use for Cuba because I like the colors and everything. The colors worked out pretty well. So I'm placing up those things. I did go over the weekend. I did over one weekend. I think it was over Labor Day weekend. I went and grabbed some white paint from, let me see what brand it is. The brand that I got was, Liquitex. And it's just the titanium white. It's the drop type one. I didn't like what my other white was doing. It just didn't look right, so I'm glad that I got this one. And it's made for, it's made for just about anything when you paint. But it works out really well for, like, splatters and stuff. But now I'm just finishing up going through all of the other little bits and just to try to find other little things to fit. Make sure everything will be linked down below. Make sure that you go like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations, 12 by 12 notebooks, or 12 by 12 layouts, traveler's notebooks, and all of that jazz. I am just finishing up my writing, and then the splatters are going to come on, and then that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please stay safe. I hope that everybody has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!